Hello, dear fashion bosses. How are you doing? It's really been a while. I am so sorry for the break, but I'm back now. So, in today's class, I'm going to be teaching us how to make this beautiful trending hairband. It is a crinoline hairband. It is made from crinoline. Okay, it is really trending. It is really classy and beautiful. All right. So if this is what you would want to learn, if you would like to learn this, kindly stay to the end of this video, but do not forget to subscribe. Tap on the subscription button and tap on the bell, okay? So you can get notified for more videos, all right? Okay, so I'm just going to be introducing us to the materials we need for this simple but beautiful project. This is a crinoline. Really, as a matter of fact, this is horsehair braid, and then what I'm holding right now is crinoline. So we have horsehair braid, and we have I'm sorry about my voice, and we have crinoline. So this is horsehair braid, the one measuring 3 inches. Okay, so you go to the market, ask them for horsehair braid, and then we have our Alice band, our scissors, and then our trimmings. Okay, for decoration or embellishment. So I just pick up my Alice band, and then I'm just going to measure it round to get the circumference. Okay, so you should also do same to yours, guys. So after doing that, I'm going to pick up my horsehair braid. You can also refer to it as crinoline, and then cut the exact measurement of what we got from our Alice band, but you can also go ahead to add 1 inch to it. Okay, so you don't run in short, and then you cut it out in 2 pieces, join the two together, and then sew on both edge like I'm illustrating in the video. But if you do not have a sewing machine, just please grab your wool gum and then apply to the horsehair braid or crinoline, okay, to glue both pieces together. The reason why we are doubling it is to give us a particular level of firmness, okay? So basically, horsehair braid is usually firmer than crinoline. We use horsehair braid as fashion designers, okay? And then as milliners, we use crinoline, okay? All right. So I actually sewed mine and then also used the wool gum. But if you do not know how to sew or you do not have a sewing machine, please you just use your wool gum straight up and make sure your gumming is neat. So I pick up my Alice band, and then you can see what I'm doing right now. I place my crinoline or horsehair braid on the Alice band, tip to tip, the tip of the horsehair braid to the Alice band, and then I make sure it is properly aligned and centralized. You can see me illustrate. The Alice band should be on the middle or in the middle of the crinoline, okay? And then I just grab my needle and thread together. Please make sure you're using a matching thread, okay, to tack the crinoline or the horsehair braid, okay, to the Alice band. You can see me illustrate it in the video. Okay, so I am still going to place more emphasis on the crinoline. Peradventure, on the horsehair braid rather, peradventure you are not familiar with it at all, okay? You can hardly differentiate the difference between crinoline and horsehair braid, but because I am a fashion designer and also a milliner, I am able to, differentiate this. Crinoline is usually softer. Horsehair braid is firmer than crinoline. Horsehair braid comes only in 3 inches. It comes in 3 inches and in 1 inch, 2 inches, but crinoline comes in different inches, even up to 7 inches. Okay. So, but for this particular project, I'm using horsehair braid. I'm just laying emphasis on the horsehair braid so you don't get confused, and then so that the name can stick. Go to the market, ask for horsehair braid. Go to fashion where they sell fashion accessories, and then ask for horsehair braid. Okay, and then it's also more expensive than crinoline. All right, so as you can see, I'm still tacking my horsehair braid to my Alice band. And please note that horsehair braid comes only in black and white colors, while crinoline comes in different colors, okay? I'm just giving you the differences between these two look alike material, okay? So I'm done with the one end. I'm going to the other end right now, making sure that my Alice band is properly centralized. Okay, and then I'm also going to do the same to the other end. The same means tacking it to the other end. Okay, you can see me applying my gum. Okay, so before I tacked the other end to my Alice band, I'm first of all going to apply my gum on my Alice band, as you can see me do right now. This is to enable my crinoline stay in place on my Alice band. Okay, I want to glue the horsehair braid rather, to my Alice band. Please make sure you are using gum for this project. You know, the horsehair braid, or if you are using a crinoline, is very transparent, you know. And if you use glue and wax, the end product or the end result is going to be looking whitish, and then it won't be proper, neat and ideal. Okay, so after applying my gum, I just left it for a few minutes to get dried before gluing the horsehair braid or the crinoline, if you are using a crinoline, okay, to my Alice band. You can see me do this, you know. It's a very simple tutorial but very classy product, you know, at the end of the day. So guys, I'm done gluing the crinoline to the Alice band. I'm going ahead right now to tack the tip or the end of the crinoline to my Alice band, so that this all materials will become one piece, just one piece. The Alice band and the crinoline becomes one piece. No one is shaking, no one is moving. Okay, and then for durability purpose. So guys, if you've watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed, I want to please appeal with you to kindly do so right now, and do not forget to tap on the bell. The bell enables you get notification each time we drop videos. So right now on this channel, we drop both sewing tutorials. Peradventure you are into fashion designing, we drop both sewing tutorials and headwear tutorials. Okay, all right, so you can see me still trying to tack my ends together. I want to be sure that it is very firm. Okay, so like I will always say, our clients don't encounter wardrobe disaster on the day of rocking. So I'm done tacking. I'm going ahead right now to cut off the excesses I have. Okay, after cutting, I'm going to use my lighter, as you can see me illustrate, to slightly and gently, you know, burn the ends. Okay, this is to prevent it from hurting you, poking your skin, poking your scalp, poking your head, or even pulling your hair. Okay, I want it to be very smooth. That is why I am using the lighter to give a smooth end to this product. Okay, so I test it on my skin to be sure that it won't hurt no one. Okay, you know, crinoline can cause some discomfort if you don't tidy the ends properly. So I'm going to, we're almost done with this project, guys. It's very simple but very beautiful and classy. So I have my trimming. I'm going to apply my gum to my trimming, and then I'm going to use it to embellish this hair band. Okay, so basically your creativity just have to come in play, you know, at this point, however you want to embellish it. Okay, please go ahead with it. Okay, you can place your embellishment however you want your trimming. So I'm placing it firstly on the part where we have the Alice band, so that it can cover the Alice band for me, you know. We don't want people knowing sometimes how we put these things together, you know, and in trying to cover some of this parts we don't want people to see as being rough. It also ends up giving your product beautiful appearance at the end of the day. So I just keep applying my wool gum to my trimming, leaving it for a few minutes or seconds to get dried before attaching it to the hairband. The reason why I leave the wool gum to get dried a little is to prevent it from smelling. When it's very wet, it can spill over to the parts of your material, you know, that you don't want it to get to. So it is often advised that you left it for a few seconds for it to get a little dried before using. So I'll just go ahead to attach the remaining trimming to those parts you see me illustrate right now. So we are almost done with this project, guys. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Okay, share this video, give it a thumbs up, like it. Before we go, I would like to give us a little assignment. Okay, so I like you to mention at least two or three of the materials we used, to make this project. Just mention them, list them in the comment section, and then I'm going to acknowledge you in the next video. Okay, and then if you are consistent with this assignment, you may just get a free ticket to attending one of our training, okay, for free. All right, so I'm done attaching my embellishments to the hairband. You can see the inside is looking all very neat and beautiful, professionally done. Okay, so at this point, you may choose to rock it like this. You may choose to want to add some more embellishment. So I'm just going to add some stones, to it. So you just decide how you want to place your stone. Basically, no hard and fast rule about the stains, guys. So I apply my wool gum on my stones. I allow it to get dried a little by leaving it for a few seconds before introducing it to my headband. Do not forget the assignments, guys. List two or three materials that we use to achieve this hairband in the comment section below, okay? And we'll just acknowledge you in the next video. And then I went further to say that if you are consistent with answering questions, you may just answer your way to winning a free ticket on one of our training. Okay, so I just keep introducing my stones, and basically we are done at the end of um the embellishments. So this is the end product. This is what we have. Very neat, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is really good, guys. And this is what we have at the end of the day. It's looking also very beautiful. All right, guys, so we have come to the end of this class. Do not forget to like, share, give a thumbs up, drop your question, answer your question also, or your assignment on the comment section. Okay, you can recreate yours, and drop it on our Facebook page. Follow us on our social media handle at Fashion Boss Innovations, and we'll see you in our next class. Bye.